Hi, boys and girls. Now that you have learned the difference between fiction and nonfiction today, I want you to complete this Google Slides. So the first slide is just to help you remember what fiction is and what the nonfiction genre is. So fiction is a book that entertains you. It's not real, it's made up in the author's imagination, and it did not happen in real life. The book has characters, a setting, and a plot. A plot is what happens at the beginning, middle, and end of the story, and it normally tells a story. Nonfiction teaches you and informs you. So when we read Brown Bears, we learned facts about the brown bears. Nonfiction has facts and information, real people, places, things, and events, and it's not made up. So, before you start your activity, I want you to watch this video because our two main genres are fiction and nonfiction, but we're going to be learning about a lot of other genres that fall underneath these two categories this year. So you're going to click the play button for it to play. If it's not working, you can always click the link on the side right here. Once you're finished watching the video, you'll notice that there's books on each side of this Google slide. So you are going to have to take each book and drag it to the appropriate spot. So I'm going to X out of presentation mode so I can edit it. So I have to look at my first book, Life on Mars. So I have to think, just looking at the cover, does this look like this was made up? Or did this happen in real life? So once I decide, I click on the book. Once the little box is lit up, that means you can drag it. Your mouse has to be over the book so you see the 4 arrows, and then you can drag it to fiction, or you can drag it to nonfiction. You decide. I'm going to put it back over here. So you have to drag all of the books. So when you're all done, you should have 6 books on your slide. Okay, the next part, it says directions. Look at the book. So look at this book right here on the right. Using the information you just learned, decide if the book is fiction or nonfiction and type it below. So it says this book is, so I click here and then I'm going to either type fiction or nonfiction. I don't want to give you the answer, so I won't tell you. But you have to decide which one it is. And then when you're all done, it says, tell me how you know if it's fiction or nonfiction in a complete sentence. So if it were me writing, I would say, I know it is blank because blank. And then I would explain why. So down here, you would start typing, I know it is, and then you're going to fill in fiction or nonfiction because, and you're going to tell me how you know. Okay, I'm going to delete this. And then the same thing is going to happen on this side. Look at the book, type if it's fiction or nonfiction, and tell me how you know in a complete sentence. Remember, complete sentences start with capital letters and end with punctuation, normally periods. When you're all done, you have the choice. If you want, I attached this fun little video with a catchy song to help you remember what fiction means and what nonfiction means. So if you want, you can click the video and watch the cute little song. If you don't, that's fine. Please just remember to click the turn in button. It's normally right here in the top right-hand corner. I have a teacher computer, so it doesn't say turn in, but right here where the share button and present button are, that's where you'll see turn in. I hope you guys do a great job. Thank you.